This is a situation concerning Bitcoin. You can really see that Bitcoin, well, it has truly returned. It has pulled back here. We're observing on the weekly time frame that we've arrived at the support level, and then we came back up, right back to where we were on Sunday evening. So with deep psych, is this a major fake out, or is it the end of the line with the news we're seeing? I'm going to show you right away. You can see it here. This is from investing.com via Yahoo Finance. The headline reads, "Deep Psych, a head fake, buy the dip." So this is precisely what is happening right now. Today, a massive decision to be made. Pump or dump? That's the title of this video. We are facing significant decisions regarding Bitcoin, especially with the upcoming decision from the Federal Reserve, and we're going to analyze all of this together. Looking at the weekly chart, it's genuinely looking very good. If we examine this chart, one simply cannot deny that it's bullish. It's important to remember that last week we achieved an all-time high, reaching $19,564, and we've just bounced off the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Now, let's descend to the daily time frame to assess the situation. And I must say, the situation remains incredibly positive for Bitcoin. So you can observe that we formed a top here, essentially creating a double top in the end at $108,434. And indeed, we have formed a double top. We pulled back downwards. We bounced right.
So where we've arrived, right here, we've come directly to the Crypto-Quebec indicator, where we previously were, and we encountered significant difficulty breaking through, directly at the Crypto-Quebec indicator, where we can observe that the momentum is extraordinary. Directly on the Crypto-Quebec indicator, you can sit right here. This area right here represents the momentum, and the momentum on the weekly time frame is at 90, which is the maximum possible value. So it's pushing upwards. If you wish to obtain this indicator, it is free. You simply scroll down to the bottom of the video description and navigate to our Discord server, specifically the indicator section, and you will be able to view my setup. Furthermore, if you're looking to join me on various trading platforms, here's a fantastic offer. Bluefin is providing a substantial bonus, a $100,000 bonus. Bitmart is offering $10,000, BitGet offers $8,000, and Bitfinex has $5,000. Whether you choose one or more of these platforms, feel free to send me a direct message here, HTM, in my Telegram group, where people are consistently achieving remarkable results. We've now reached a community of 525 members. You can see all the success stories here. These are genuine results that members send me directly. So if this interests you, simply click here and join us. Therefore, this is my outlook for Bitcoin, whether it's a pump or a dump. Obviously, if it dumps, I believe we could potentially retrace back towards the 90,000 level to form a lower low, and even down to 86,000. That would present a truly exceptional buying opportunity if it were to occur. However, I think we shouldn't get our hopes up. The chances of that happening are quite slim. I believe there's a significantly higher probability of an upward movement. The indicator is clearly signaling an upward trend. The crucial thing is to carefully observe the candlestick structures as events unfold and then make your trading decisions based on what you are